Welcome back to the mentor. In this video I will be sharing with you another data entry project which I got on Upwork. So here is the client instruction. He's saying that I need help converting a PDF containing a list of around 250 content into an Excel spreadsheet. This task involving manually extracting the data and organizing into the following column: first name, last name, company, address, then city, state, zip code, phone number, and email address. Okay, so this is the client instruction here, and now let me show you the PDF file. Now here is the PDF file which will be extracting the data from this one. Okay guys, and also there are hundreds of project guys available on upwork.com. So basically if you just create a catalog on Fiverr.com, sorry I mean on upwork.com, you will be able to get multiple projects like this. She is also getting, as you can see. So it's very simple. Just create a catalog on upwork.com or Fiverr.com. You will be able to get this type of project very easily. Okay, now let's come to the point. So here if I just open the spreadsheet, here I will type everything which the client want from me, like he want first name and title, whatever. Okay, so now we will start guys extracting this data. So first I want to tell you that I try multiple way but it didn't help me. Okay, so I tried to use ChatGPT and I tried to use some other tool, but none of them help me to convert this PDF file into Excel. Okay, so I will be doing this work manually, because sometimes guys you will be able to work on a project manually. There will be no way that you can convert the data. So that's why some of time guys I recommend you try to work on the project which I share with you, so that you learn and you get practice, real practice. So whenever you get any project, so that you have that much experience, so that you can convert the PDF file in a first time. Now here guys, if I just told you if you just want to work on this project manually, so it will take some time if you are doing this type of work for the first time. But if you have some experience, if you have already done some work, then for you it will be very easy. So that's why I share with you guys different projects so that you can practice on it. Okay, so now we will start working on it guys. First thing first, if you just click here, you can just zoom the the PDF file so that you can see directly all the data very good. If I just go big, as you can see the data are very small, so I'm not able to see it. Okay, and I'm not able to read it. Okay, so that's why I will click here in this plus icon, so I will be able to see this data very well guys. Now okay, now then you will need to open the Excel sheet where you want to put the data. So in this case I want to put this data here guys, so I will start from the first. Okay, now you can see this is mentioned first, then last, then title. So we will just tap the first name of this person. Okay, then we will go to the next column. Okay, and then we will tap another entry. Okay, so the process are very simple guys. If you just do some practice and if you have experience, for you it will be very easy. Okay, so I will provide you this link guys in the description so that you can practice on it. Okay, now we will tap the company name here. Okay, Woodstock Recreation. Okay, now we will type the address. Okay, so I will just click the tab button in my keyboard and I will move to another row. Okay, and then I will type the address. Okay, again I will click on the tab button in my keyboard, so I will be able to move to the next entry. Okay, and then here you can see their city name, their state, and everything is mentioned. Okay, so now we will just simply tap this data. We will just tap the city name. Okay, now I will tap the state, then I will tap the zip code. Now we will tap their contact number 86092, then 85935. Okay, now we will tap their email address. Okay, so let's tap their email address, REC. And you can also guys copy and paste some of the entry, but it will be very hard, because the pdf file is very different guys, this one. Okay, so it's not possible to also copy data from this one, so we will be doing all the data guys manually. So when you done the first entry, then you will need to go to the next one guys. So we will go back, okay, and we will just click here, and now we will go to the second one. Okay, so now we will also tap the second entry. The process are very simple, but you just need to spend some time on it, okay, because now we will simply tap the second name here. Okay, now let's try. Now we will tap the title. Okay, now we will move to the next entry. We will type the company name here, you can see. Okay, so this is their company name guys. We have already typed the title. Now it's time to type the company name. As I'm giving you a demo guys, so maybe if I just make a mistake, you can ignore it, but I'm just trying to help you to show you the process, and then you will be able to practice on it. Okay, so now let's just type their address. Okay, so here is their address guys, 720. Okay, I will go down, let's see what is. Okay, and if you guys know any better way, please let me know in the comment section. If there is any way which you think we can work on this type of project fast, so I will love to share with you, or also with other member too on this YouTube channel, so also help them. Okay, now we will just tap the zip code. Okay, now we will tap the contact number. Okay, but you can also copy the contact number too guys. Okay, just copy it. Okay, and then you can paste it, but I will highly recommend you to tap it. Okay, so it will help you to improve your typing speed. Okay, that's why I'm sharing with you this project, so that you can improve your typing speed. Okay, so let's just copy guys. You can see in this way you can copy the email address. Okay, but some email address will be not able to copy. Okay, let's see. You can see guys, we are also copying other detail too with this, so it will be better for you to type it. Okay, so some entry maybe you will be able to copy it. Okay, but most of them they are like a combined, so it's not possible to extract the data by copy and paste. Okay, so we will be typing it. Okay, .gov. Okay, so guys, I just complete the 2 entry, and then you will need to go further, and you will need to practice on it. Okay, so I will just provide you the link, and you will need to practice on it, so that your typing speed will be also increased, and you will know exactly how we can do data entry work, and you will get the real experience. Okay, so this is the project which I got on a podcast, and it's the old one, but I'm trying to share with you so that you can practice on it. Maybe those of you who didn't watch my past video, so they will be able to get this project, and they will be able to practice on it. Okay, so thank you so much guys for watching the video. If you have any issue, please let me know.